had to play this duet pretty fast because it's a waltz. Of course, waltz is supposed to be quick. And imagine people are dancing, you can envision that it goes at a certain tempo and it needs to be on the move, it needs to feel, have a feeling of motion. So that's 152 clicks, metronome clicks. If that's too fast, use the MP3 backing tracks that I'm providing on Patreon to slow down or speed up. Do whatever you need with the MP3. It gives you more flexibility. And I'm hoping to see you guys on my Patreon page. The link is down below. You can easily find it. Thank you so much for your support.